Hey, let me show you 5 quick tips for the camera on the Realme GT6. So first of all, if you really like to take the videos with your smartphone and you take a lot of videos, I can highly recommend you to simply switch from the resolution that is actually as a default set for the Full HD to 4K and the 60 frames per second. So now your videos will actually look definitely better, everything will be looks much smoother and with the best quality. Next, if you are taking the photos, but there's, for example, too bright or too dark, you can just click on the screen and then move the sun icon and decrease or increase brightness level. You can also do this automatically by clicking on the screen once. In my case, the smartphone just takes the photo, because there's another tip. When you open the settings and then when you go into the shooting methods, you can enable this function, tap to capture. Take a look. Now when I'm just click on the screen, the smartphone is going to take the photo, previously adjusting the focus and the brightness. Really useful. If you often use the zoom feature, so you can zoom like this, I can tell you that there's two better methods. First one, you can click and hold here, and then you can just move the slider slowly, one by one, and get really nice zooming in and out effect. But also you can link the volume buttons to use zoom, and now we can just click and hold the volume up button or the volume down button to zoom out. There we go. And if you are looking for this zoom feature, click here, go to the settings. Now you will have to scroll down until you locate volume button action and select zoom. There we go. And if you like street photographer and you want to quickly open the camera sometimes when the screen is locked, there's also another option by going to the settings, enable quick launch, click on the settings. Now from this screen we have to get the camera and accept allow turning screen on, then go back, and now we can activate it one more time, so we have to double press either volume button when the screen is off. So how it looks, you are, for example, on the street, there's something interesting to capture and you are pressing 2 times on the volume button, volume down button like this, and your camera will be open. So that's really nice. It's in the street mode and you can quickly take the photos. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.